faces, it's a lot shorter and softer compared to male faces. So it's just a curve like this, and it narrows at the bottom. Basically, it forms. Okay, so let's move on to the next. Just duplicating it real quick. And now let's erase the guidelines. Yes, the eyes have a dedicated technique. So just draw a line like this. The lips are as long as the inner corner of your eye. Now we have a straight line. Now this is not. Curves on each side, and then another curve for the lower lip. Very easy, very basic, right? Right. So anyway, let's just clean up the jawline because she looks like she got a beard or something. Okay, so finally, let's give her a hairline. Drawing the hairline before the hair is important because you might accidentally make it too low or too high. Anyway, just duplicating this again. Now we draw the hair. Let's start with a straight line like this, and I'm gonna draw this big teardrop in the middle. I'm gonna draw this big chunk first, and then I add tiny bangs to make it more detailed. See, it's like I know what I'm doing. I still kind of suck, to be honest with y'all, but whatever. Okay, Picasso. I draft the colors. In fact, here's a guide. But
so I skipped pretty much the whole video because of terminal ADHD. That's about right. So double the size. It's done.
But anyway, here's the final result. So it can be summarized in 4 steps. First, draw the guidelines and sketch where you right now. So first of all, I give her the kawaii anime blushes. Give her them rosy cheeks like that. I like to make the lips full using an airbrush as well. Okay, so now we're gonna shade. So I'm using this color to shade. The first thing I do is I add a little triangle like that. Illuminati. Then I give her extreme eye bags. This makes.
Okay, sorry, my iPad. Oh no, storage. I'll be back. The same colour she used, but this will do. Now we got to make the lips juicy.